I can solve a Rubik's Cube. Actually, I can solve quite a few different kinds of Rubik's Cubes. Or triangles, or... what even is this one? My timed record is 45 seconds. Which, in all honesty, isn't that great. They aren't that hard to solve. Like, at all. Some people think you need to be smart to be able to solve one, and that's not true because I can solve one, right? Solving Rubik's Cubes in the simplest way I can explain. If you see this pattern, then you do this move, which then creates this pattern, so you do this move. Repeat until solved. It's really just memorization, which is why it took me 2 weeks to master it. They are so incredibly easy. Despite that, people are very drawn to them. The world's most introverted individuals will ask to hold your Rubik's Cube if they see you with one. And that's when the problems start to occur. Do you know why people learn to solve Rubik's Cubes? To show off. Yeah, that's literally the only reason. Bro, let me solve your Rubik's Cube. I can solve it fast. How fast can you teach me how to solve it? Get the f*** away from me! Wow, you solved it. Hey, Ken. Now we see the mistake that young Alex has gotten himself into. Now, the idiot on the right, and it's probably you, will say one of three things, and each is more annoying than the last. Wow, you solved it! Do it again. What? You want me to do it again? You just watched me solve it. Wasn't that good enough for you? Apparently, I completely and utterly obliterated your brain with my intense Rubik's Cube skills. So much so that you absolutely insist on seeing it again. Whether I solve them in 1 minute versus 10 whole freaking centuries, you'll be impressed. Wow, you solved it! Can you teach me how to solve it? No! Idiot. I can't teach you how to solve it because you aren't willing to put forth the 2 weeks of patience and memorization required to be able to solve it. What you want me to do is say something like, oh, this is a trick, and that will magically allow you to know the cube's secrets. Well, guess what, sweetie? That ain't gonna happen. I do not have the time to teach you anything. Wow, you solved it! I bet I can solve it faster. Really? You can solve it faster. Yep. There. That's a good one. Man, you were so funny. I can't take it anymore. I just can't take it anymore. What was that? Who's there? Is someone there? They're coming. They're coming. I just know it. I gotta destroy it. I gotta destroy it. That's the only way. That's the only way. They'll never bug me again. Never again. Never.